A very good morning to you children. Welcome again in your maths class. Children, hope all are fine. Okay, let's begin today's class. Today we will continue chapter number 8, measurement of time. Okay, and in this class we will learn to draw the hands of a clock to show the given time. Okay, so let's begin children. Here you can see I have made picture of 3 clocks. Okay, and now I have to draw hands of these clocks according to the time that has been given here. That is 8 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I have to show by drawing the hands. Okay. So first clock, here the timing is 8 o'clock. What is the time? 8 o'clock. Now I have to draw here 8 o'clock. Okay. So children, you must have remembered that in last class I taught you that when o'clock word is coming, that means you have to draw the longer hand or minute hand at 12. Okay, so be careful about it. O'clock means the longer hand will be at 12. Children, to draw the hands, you use a scale. Okay, you don't draw it by hands only. In your maths copy, when you draw the clock and when you are going to draw hand, you use a scale only. Okay, now 8 o'clock. What is the timing? Time is that 8. So you will make the shorthand at 8. Now what the time clock is showing here, that is 8 o'clock. Okay. Here in next clock, that is 3 o'clock. O'clock means you will make the longer hand or minute hand at 12 and the short hand will be, that is 3 here. So you will make the short hand at 3. That is 3 o'clock. Now the clock is showing the time, that is 3 o'clock. In this clock, that is 7 o'clock. So what you will do? You will make the longer hand at 12. Longer hand will be at 12. And the shorter hand will be, that is 7 o'clock we have to show. So we will make the short hand at 7. Okay. So when o'clock time is coming, that time you will draw the hands like this. Okay children. Okay children, now we have to show the time half past. Okay, so in this clock, what we have to show the time? Time is half past 10. Okay, so children, when half past word is coming, then what we have to do? We have to draw the longer hand or minute hand at 6. In last class I taught you. Okay, so you will make the longer hand at 6. Children, you always use a scale to draw the hand. Okay. Now 6, that is half past, and now what is the time? That is half past 10. Mean already half an hour has passed. So we will make the short hand between 10 and 11 because half an hour has already passed. So it will come between 10 and 11. 10 and the number that ahead of 10. You have to make the short hand between them. Okay. Now in this clock, what we have to show? Half past 9. So half past word has come. That means you have to draw the longer hand at 6 and half past 9 means already 9 has passed half an hour. Okay. So what you will do? You have to make the short hand between which numbers? 9 and 10. The number that is ahead of 9, that is 10. So you will make the short hand between 9 and 10. That is half past 9, 9:30. Okay. In this clock, what you will do? Half past 12. So what you will do? Half past means first you have to draw the longer hand or minute hand at 6 and 12. That is 12. It has been past half an hour. So it will come, the short hand will come at between 12 and 1. Okay, the number that is ahead of 12, that is 1. So you will make the short hand between 12 and 1. Okay, so the time will be 12:30. 12:30. Okay, in this way you have to draw the hands to show half past. Okay. Okay children, now we have to show the time quarter past. Okay, here the first clock we have to show time quarter past 6. Okay. So children, you must have remembered quarter past means where we have to draw the longer hand, where it will be? It will be at 3. The longer hand or minute hand will be at 3. Quarter past means we have to draw the longer hand at 3. Okay. Now 6. Quarter past 6 means we have to make the shorter hand or our hand nearer to 6. Okay. So we will make the shorter hand nearer to 6. That is 6. It is little bit crossed 6, the shorter hand. Okay. The time now, this clock is showing that 6:15 or quarter past 6. Okay. Now for this clock, what we have to show? Quarter past 11. So first you draw the longer hand at 3. Okay. The longer hand will be at 3. Quarter past we always draw the longer hand at 3. And now that is 11. Quarter past 11 has been given here. Okay. So where we will draw the shorter hand? Shorter hand we will draw just slightly after 11. Okay. Here 11. Just after 11. That is 11:15. Now the time is 11:15. For this clock, quarter past 4. So what you will do here? You will draw the longer hand at 3 and the shorter hand where it will be? It will be just after 4. Little bit after 4. Okay. Here just after 4. So now the clock is showing the time, that is quarter past 4. Quarter past 4 or 4:15. Okay. In this way you have to draw the hands to show quarter past. Now children, what time we have to show? We have to show quarter to. Okay. So in first clock we have to show quarter to 5. Okay. So to show this time, what we will do? Children, you must have remembered that quarter to means we have to draw the longer hand at which number? We have to draw it at 9. Okay. Quarter to means we have to draw at 9. And now where the shorter hand will be? It will be at nearer to 5. Okay. Because the shorter hand has already left 4 and it is nearing to 5. So it will not be exactly on 5. It is just near to 5. That is shorthand we will make just nearer to 5, but it will not be exact on 5. So now the timing will be, you will say or you will write, that is 4:45. When we will write it, we will write 4:45. When we will say, it is said quarter to 5. Okay. Let's understand in this clock, quarter to 1. Okay. So quarter to word has come. That means first you have to draw the longer hand at 9. Okay. Minute hand or longer hand will be at 9. And quarter to 1. That means you have to make the shorter hand nearer to 1. Okay. Between 12 and 1. We have to choose the number that is earlier to 1. That is 12. So we will make the shorter hand that is nearer to 1. Okay. Now this clock is showing the time, that is quarter to 1 or 12:45. When it is written, we will consider this number, that is the shorthand has already left 12:45. Okay. For this clock, what the time is that? Quarter to 6. Okay. So quarter to word has come. That means you have understood that we have to make the longer hand or minute hand at 9. Okay. Children, you please use a scale only. 9. And now quarter to 6. That means we are reaching to the 6. Okay. The shorter hand is reaching to 6. So we will make the shorter hand nearer to 6. Okay. Nearer to 6. But it is not exactly on 6. It is nearer to 6. And it has already left 5 and it is going nearer to 6. Okay. So between these two numbers, when we are writing the time, we will choose the number that shorthand has already left. Okay. The number that is previous to the number that is 6. So the timing will be 5:45. In this way, children, you had to show the time. Okay. Children, you will draw some clocks in your copy and you draw the hands. Okay. But you have to use a scale only. You don't draw by hands. Okay. Otherwise, the line will not be straight. Now, children, this was your today's class. See you again in next class. Till then, bye. Thank you and take care of yourself.